In this video, we want to show you all something very special. We are visiting Artisans Angkor, an organization that is dedicated to preserving and keeping the rich cultural heritage of Cambodia alive. Their mission is to revive and promote traditional Khmer artisanship, providing employment opportunities to local artisans and improving their livelihoods. All the things that you buy here are used in a fair and proper way. Fair wages, support of education and professional training, over cost of community-based rural workshops, operation costs, purchase of raw materials, and investment in shops and workshops. So that's really nice. It's actually, you can see it's done in a proper way. I really hope they can realize their dreams and keep doing this on a bigger scale as well.
Artisans Angkor was established in 1992 in the aftermath of the Khmer Rouge regime. It started as a response to the destruction of Cambodia's cultural heritage during the regime. Post-war, there weren't many people left to teach the next generation the country's traditional arts and crafts. Over the years, they have flourished, becoming a beacon of hope and creativity. They have successfully revived and preserved a wide range of ancient artistic techniques, including stone and wood carving, silk weaving, lacquerware, silverware, and many more.
They operate various workshops, where visitors can observe and interact with skilled artisans as they work their magic. Wonderful, amazing art. I love it. These people are very skilled, and it's amazing just to be able to visit this place freely. Each creation displays craftsmanship and celebrates Khmer culture. These workshops are training centers where apprentices are provided with the necessary skills and knowledge to become artisans themselves. This is a nice collection of artists and wonderful pieces of art as well.
Artisans Angkor believes in creating a positive impact that goes beyond art. It's about developing Cambodia one person and the community at a time.
Yeah, definitely recommend visiting this place. It's free, you don't have to buy anything per se, but if you have the room and the money, the financial means, please support this wonderful idea. Also, by supporting their work through a donation or by purchasing handicrafts, you contribute to the preservation of Cambodia's rich cultural heritage and help uplift local communities.